Hey guys, it's Paul. I want to give you, as quick as I can today, an introduction to Rebrandly and affiliate marketing. I think so many people are missing a trick, not doing affiliate marketing, especially people like YouTube creators and other people like that, or social media influencers that aren't using branded links to promote products, links that you can change later, which is why I use Rebrandly, and helping you to move people around to where you want from your content on a link that makes sense to you. And I'm going to explain how to do it, and I'm going to talk you through it. First, though, what's always great in these videos, if you just pause me at this point and tell me why you're here, tell me why you've come to YouTube to watch it, and I can try and reply. I'm trying to reply to as many comments as I can, on maybe a video that'll help you more, or I'll tell you if that's in this video or not, and it will help me get better for my Rebrandly video next year. So just pause me, do me a favor and pause me, and just tell me why you're here.